Welcome back to the IGCSE Paper 2 2012 Walk and Talk tutorials. In this activity, we are going to start activity 3 using web authoring software. The software that we will use is Microsoft Expression. That is web authoring software. It should take 25 minutes. Task WA1 asks, Angela wants a new page for the Inter-Air website to advertise a special offer in September. The website is based on this design. Okay. Logo in the top corner, page title in the right. Then we've got links, page content, and then at the bottom we've got contact details. Now I can see straight away this is a table. It's 3 rows and 2 columns. And at the side it asks for a website health style, background color being pale yellow, text being dark blue. So, and the information for the special offers is stored in the file notes, and the information images are stored in images folder, plus the logo we created earlier. Okay? Create the web page using the layout shown in the design. So, I will open up Microsoft Expression, and the first thing we need to do is actually create a table which is looking similar to this. 2 columns, 3 rows. So, I go Table, Insert Table, and I say 3 rows, 2 columns. I can specify the width, so it goes 100% the width of the table. I can change it so it makes, let's say, center alignment. If let's say I had 100% width, it would have the table centered. But in this case, I just want default and 100%. I can change cell padding here, okay, and cell spacing, and I can add borders if I want. I can put 2 pixel borders. I don't want any. So 3 rows, 2 columns, press OK, and then I will make the first column smaller than the second. Okay, like so. Also, I can see the bottom row is merged. So I'm going to select the bottom row, right click, modify, merge. So that joins these together. Now, so I should now have logo in this corner, page title, link to home page, page content, and contact details. So, first of all, let's insert the logo. Insert, picture from file, and go to, in fact, I will save this. Does it tell us what to save it as? Doesn't say, so we'll just go File, Save As, and this is going to be to advertise a special offer. We can see that, so I will write special offer as the name, desktop, resources, save. So I save it in the same folder. I then go to insert a picture, so insert picture. So this will be the logo. Go to desktop, resources, find the logo, and then this one here asks if it's not available, what alternate text. I can just write the logo in there. Okay, that should insert. Perhaps that's too big, so I'm going to make that small there. So, if I hold down Shift as well, I change both the height and the width at the same time. Okay. The title, it doesn't tell us a title. All it says is special offers. It's just the special offers really in September. So I think a nice suitable title there would be special offers for September. Then I go back, it says page content, text and image, and I get that from the notes page. So I go over to resources, I find the notes, which is down here, and it tells us some information. So it says 50% off, special weekend in Ireland on Friday the 14th, day trips to France, special shopping trips, fly to Kenya, fly to US. Now I want September. And if I look, this is, no, I don't want August. Because if I'm right, it says September. So I don't need Doha. There is one here to Ireland in September, which is good. There's also one in September to Paris. But there's December, July, and July. So I don't need these two. So I can delete. So let's copy the text. In fact, let's copy the text. Control C. And let's paste it. Control V. Now, I want a suitable image as well. Do I need them both? Does it ask me to do them both? It does say, wants a new page for the new Inter-Air website to advertise a special offer. It doesn't say special offers, it says special offer. So I only need one. So I don't want, so let's just remove the Paris one. And underneath the Ireland one, I will insert picture from file, go to images, and I want Ireland. And Ireland, there are some names here. Ireland is this one here. I will write alternate text Ireland, press OK, like so. Perhaps that might be a bit too small, so shift and make that smaller. Okay, and I'm going to highlight these, which I'll come back to them in a minute. We'll make this fit for purpose in a minute. It does say on our bottom, it says contact details. Now contact details is all the way at the front here. So we've got our contact details. So I'm going to write at the bottom in the contact details section for contact details, so I'll write contact details Inter-Air 1 High Street Croft or Middlesex TW21 2 PM, phone 01753 329 202. We don't need the website because they're on the website, but I will have the email address, which will be inquiries@interair.co.uk. Now, being an email address, I can actually make that an email, so I can highlight it, I'll copy it, right click, copy, and then I'm going to turn this into a hyperlink. Right click, hyperlink. I go to email address, and I paste in the email address into email address, press OK. Okay? Now, it does say I need to change the background to pale yellow, the text to dark blue. So I can select all the writing. I go to the text color, the font color. I choose dark blue, apply. And I want the background to be pale yellow. So right click, page properties. I go to formatting, I think, background, and I choose more colors and a pale yellow. Press OK, and that will change the colors. Okay, the logo is fine. Okay, the title, of course, it's not very clear. It's a title. I want to make that bigger. So let's make it super big. Let's make it 72 point. I'll write it in. Oh God, that's too big. 58 point. No, too big. 44 point. There we go. And let's make that bold as well. Okay. Same for here. It's not very clear. Let's center that. Let's make the writing a bit clearer as well. Like so. And then down the bottom, I can do the same for the thing. I can actually tidy this up. Let's make that bold. Okay. Now the other thing it does say is putting a link to your home page. Let's put a center there, and I will say home page. Just writing home page isn't enough, so I highlight it, right click, hyperlink. Existing file, web page. There is no home page on. There is no home page on here. So I will just write homepage.html, press OK, and there's my link. Okay, it's to a fake web page there. So I've made this fit for purpose by changing this. It hasn't told me to make the title bigger. It hasn't told me to center this, but I've done it because it looks better. Let's just go back to the website. Display the web page, make sure all the information is on screen, and take a screenshot. So I need to now show it. I go File and Save, File and Preview in Browser, and we preview it in Chrome. I'm viewing this now in Chrome. Like so, I can see all the page, okay? And once I've got all the page, I just go to my snipping tool, select all the page, like so. And of course that's taken a copy. Go back in, down we go. Save the web page as offer. Okay, so I've saved that wrong, but I could go back, File, Save As, and we'll change this to offer, just make sure we've got that. It then says open a new Word document. Enter task WA1 and your name in the footer, and then paste the picture. Oh, just need to go back up here. Copy, paste. Okay, you've got my head in there because, of course, and then I just go footer. Task WA1, delete the middle one, and we'll put our name in the side here, like so. And then that is that one there. It then says save the document as task WA1 and print it. So I go File, Save As, and of course we save it in WA1, task WA1. And then finally, you go File and Print. Boom. That is task 3 completed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you for task 4, activity 4.